let's teach that oojama bastard a lesson. I'm gonna show yous who to walk and draw, so I am. Let's start with Gary Doll's luscious walking lips. Oh, Gary Doll and Gary Doll. Gary's lips. They shouldn't be sucking on an e-cigarette. They should be sucking on Gratex's Tadger. Can you guess what it is yet, Gary Doll? Here we go. Now, Gary Doll. Don't use Gary Doll. Don't use expect too much out of all Gratex, because I'm a wee bit out of fucking practice. And I'm no exactly lost in my sobriety. Gary Doll! Gary Dolan, my walking, talking shroud of tyrannia. Gary Doll! It's that bastard, biodegradable man Gary Doll. He takes the piss out of old Gratex. He thinks I'm a fat, flabby fucktie, but I'm fit, Gary Doll. I'm walking fit. Oh, oh yeah, sorry, Gary Doll. Sorry, Gary Doll. Sorry, Gary Doll. Back to business, Gary Doll. I'm a wee bit out of practice, Gary Doll, as you can see. Gary Doll. Do you notice that your neck, Gary Doll, your neck is a little bit fucking slimmer than mine? Gary Doll. Didn't we show that oojama flipper? Gary Darling, we professionals showed oojama flipper. Just for the final touch, I'll need to sign it. I'll need to make my fucking mark.